On a quiet afternoon by the lake, a proud duck named Ducky waddled along the shore. Suddenly, a sly cat named Whiskers crept closer, eyes locked on Ducky. "You're in my territory," Whiskers hissed. Ducky flapped his wings. "This lake is mine." Without warning, Whiskers lunged. But Ducky took flight, circling above. Then Ducky dived. He pecked at Whiskers' tail. The cat yowled and leapt back, slipping into the lake with a loud splash. Soaked and defeated, Whiskers climbed out, glaring. Ducky quacked in victory and swam away proud. From that day on, Whiskers never challenged the fearless duck again.